See this guys, how people are actually earning $14, okay, from UK $10 by just downloading the PDFs, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, no need to they just need to come up here and just need to download. You can see this guys, how people $7 by just one clicks. You can see this, by just one clicks people all over the world can earn money free of cost guys, no skill required. Okay, do you want to know how they are actually earning this much amount of money? Just follow along this video guys, step by step I'll show you how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just posting these short links and getting paid. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just uploading the PDF, or we can say that guys, by just sharing your PDF to other people and you are getting paid absolutely free of cost guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and guys, absolutely free of cost, no skill required. You do not have to become a professionalist to do that. Okay, it's absolutely simple guys. Okay, you just need to do the promotions of a book free of cost, just upload it and that's it guys. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is a website guys, Mediafire, and guys, all the websites that I've talked about, okay, is in the description box. You can check out. Okay, you do not have to worry about that. You do not have to type it manually. Okay, so just click on this and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so you can see this guys. So this is a platform where guys we just need to upload our links. Okay, and just need to do one thing, is to share that links, and that's it, and we are getting paid for that. So what first we need to do is to guys just first signing up. Okay, just sign up guys, it's very important. And guys, you can see this, there are paid versions as well, but guys, we are not taking any paid versions, we are taking a basic and free version. Okay, just click on this get basic. Okay, it's a free, absolutely free of cost guys. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you just need to enter your name, last name, email ID and your password and the option. Okay, you just need to set up, and that's it guys. Okay, so I just quickly do it guys. Okay, and put my mail ID guys. Okay, and put my password. Okay, so you can see this guys, you can see this, why are you creating new Mediafire account? Okay, so you can see this guys, personally, educational or work. Okay, I just click on this personal. Okay, how do you plan to use a new account? Okay, download content, share content, or backup or online storage. Okay, so you can tick these kind of things and just click on this. Just click on this create account and you are good to go. And you can see this guys, this is my dashboard. Okay, so I just quickly do everything. You can see this guys. Okay, so this is my dashboard, you can see this. Okay, so what I need to do guys, here you can see this, I can upload my files on this website absolutely free of cost. Okay, and there is no issues regarding anything. Okay, so what we need to do guys is to just click on this upload button. Okay, now you ask me question, sir, what to upload on this platform? Don't worry guys, I'll show you. You just come up here. So what basically we do guys, we just need to upload softwares, ebooks and lots of things. Okay, so I just quickly show you one of the famous website is free PLR downloads. Okay, so guys, select as per your niche. Okay, as per your niche, what you need to do is to select first. Okay, so I can take guys whatever, you can see this guys, social media. Okay, so books related to social media are come up here. Okay, so I can select guys, let's suppose Facebook. Okay, Facebook book, it's a nice book guys, you can see this, it's a nice book. And what you need to do is to just click on this download button. You can see this download button, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. You can see this guys. So it has been downloaded, and what I need to do guys is to upload it here. Okay, so I just quickly do it guys in the download section. Facebook. Okay, so Facebook I just need to set up. You can see this guys. Okay, begin upload, and you can see this guys, within few seconds based upon your internet speed, okay, it will quickly download it on this platform. Okay, so you can see this guys. If I just need to do one thing guys, is to promote this book. Okay, so where can I do it? Okay, so for that you just need to click on this share button. Okay, and you can see this guys, it will automatically provide me this link. Okay, so anyone out there can get this link, and where to get the payment. Okay, another website that I need to recommend is this guys. This is your shorten your link, where you can see guys how to receive a payment. Okay, you can see this, users will come up here, they just need to download it. Okay, they are showing that ads. Okay, and based upon that ads, okay, you are getting paid for that. Okay, every ad you are getting paid for that. So what you need to do is to just click on this join button. Okay, and do the same registration part guys. You just need to enter your mail address. Okay, you just need to do the confirmation of mail address. Okay, and set up your password, and I have read all the terms and conditions, and I'm not a robot. Okay guys, and just click on this register button and you are good to go. Okay, so there is an activation link on your mail ID, so I just quickly show you. So you can see this guys, this is my mail. You can see this is an activation mail, so I just need to click on this activation link. Okay, so I just quickly click on this activation link, and you can see this guys, my account is refreshed, and you can see this guys. Okay, complete tutorial and extra $1 bonus. Okay, to get you enrolled. So it is their welcome. Okay, so what I need to do guys is to just share this link. Okay, is to just get this link. Okay, just come up here. Okay, just need to copy this link. Okay, just you need to copy this link. Just click on this copy button, and you can see this guys, you are in this account, and you just need to paste your link, and you just need to click on this shorten. Okay, so this is my link that I need to share. Okay, so you just need to copy this, and this is a link which will help you to generate payment. Okay, so you just come up here guys, and in order to generate your audience, I just do recommend you to come up in this Pinterest guys. It's absolutely free of cost guys. You just need to create a pin, and it is a highly recommended platform, because guys this is a platform which will help you to generate more money. Okay, so this is my you can see this guys, this is my book. Okay, so this is my book name. So I just quickly you can see this, so I just quickly type Facebook social media book. Okay, so I just need to download it. Okay, so just click on this save image, and you can see this guys, my image will be saved, and you just need to upload it. Okay, so I just quickly do it guys. Okay, so the name is this. Okay, it is in the desktop. Okay, so this is the link. You can see this guys. Okay, so I have quickly did it. So you just need to give a description guys. So this is a description that you need to give. Okay, but I just need to give it guys to manually, that you need to type it, because guys there is no web scraping available. You cannot download it. Sorry for these apologies. Okay, if you are not compatible with this website, don't worry guys, I will show you another website. This is idplr.com. which will offer you not even ebooks, but it will offer you softwares as well. Okay, you can see this, guys, ebooks section. Okay, which content you can scrape. You can see this. Okay, if you are facing any problem, so you can do it. So just give the description. Okay, so I just give the book description. Okay, here, and just post your link of this. Okay, so where is my link? So this is my link. Okay, guys, I just need to copy it and just paste it here. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, that's it, because this book is free of cost. Okay, people will click on this platform. Okay, people will click on your book and they will find that it's amazing social media. So guys, select the books as per your niche. Okay, select content as per your niche, and you are getting paid for that. You just need to click on this publish button. Before that, you can set up another thing. Okay, if I just take it on one of the publications, you can see this, guys. So guys, you can see this. Okay, so this is what I just want to show you. You can see this. Sorry, we have blocked this link because it may leads to spam. So this is a problem which people will face problem. Okay, so don't worry, guys, don't worry. I always tell you that I will always be with you. So you just come up here in this Google Documents. Okay, you just need to come up here in this Google document. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, I just need to delete it. Okay, I just need to delete it and just click on this Facebook. Okay, just I need to set up Facebook social media book. Okay, and guys, you can even post more books as well. Okay, this is one book. You can set up book 1, book 2, book 3. Okay, and just paste your link here. So this is my link. Okay, just click on this copy button, and what I need to do here is to just paste it. Okay, so you just need to click on this file and just click on this share button. Okay, and save, and you can see this, guys. Okay, so just click on this copy button. Okay, this is a link that you can see. Copy the link. Okay, guys, and what you need to do is to just click on this paste button. Okay, guys, and just you need to click on this publish button, and you can see this, guys, your link will be published. So whomever see that thing, just click on this thing, and you are getting paid for that. So don't worry, guys, if you thought that sir, it's a spam, how can I getting paid for this? Guys, it's the best way to earn money, because this website, you can see this, guys, how people are actually earning this much amount of money. They are just promoting their books over this website and they are getting paid for that. So don't miss this opportunity, guys, because you are amazing. Guys, you just need to go now and just start earn money. Okay, this website will help you to generate income. You can see this, guys, per clicks you are getting paid. You can see this. Okay, so have a look on these websites, and you can see this withdraw button. Okay, so you are getting paid with PayPal account. You can see this, guys. Okay, you can edit your PayPal account, and the minimum payout, I guess, is $5. Okay, so whenever $5 is completed, you are getting paid for that. Okay, I just see the settings button. Okay, you can see this, guys. You just need to fill up your details here. Okay, and you can set up, you can see this, guys, you can set up the PayPal account, Payoneer or Web. I just recommend you to get a PayPal account. Okay, and just click on this auto withdraws. Guys, whenever a threshold is reached of $5, your account, the money in your account will automatically send. Okay, so you do not have to worry about that, sir. Do I have to click obviously buy and buy on this website? Do not worry about it, guys. You just come up here and just post it. Okay, and whenever threshold is reached, this is come up as a passive income. Okay, So this is a website. So guys, this I should tell you more about this IDPLR website. You can see this, guys, not only ebooks, but you can upload softwares as well. Okay, you can upload videos as well, audios, free graphic and templates. Because guys, in Pinterest there is a huge you can say that there is a huge, we can say that, competition of ebooks. So I just do recommend you to promote softwares. Okay, so I just do recommend you to promote softwares, guys, so that your earning would be in parallel. Okay, your earning would be exponentially grow. So it's a best website, guys. I just continuously telling you these things buy and buy, because guys, I just want you guys to earn money online by just doing nothing. You can see this, guys, you should not have to do anything. You are just getting paid for just log in this account, and that's it, guys, just posting. And guys, I just do recommend you to not to worry about instant payment. Okay, you are not getting instant payment, but you will get payment if you are consistent. Okay, try to post at least 3 to 4 books per week. Okay, set up a time and date. Okay, and just try to publish it on a regular basis, so that, guys, your income would be passive. You just need to do one thing, guys. Just you need to get these books, upload it on this platform, because this platform will offer you storage, 10 GB storage, and guys, open it in multiple accounts, so that, guys, because guys, this is absolutely free. You can create ample of email IDs, Yahoo and Google. You can create ample of email IDs, but what is important, guys, is this website. Okay, you can create hundreds and hundreds of mails. There is no limit of creating a shortened link. Okay, and you are getting paid on your PayPal account. That's simple, guys. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. I just need to do recommend you to like this channel and subscribe it. Okay, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And guys, if you are having any doubts, you just need to type on the comment section. If you are having you can facing any problem. Okay, and guys, I just want to tell you that, guys, if you are having any suggestions of your profession, okay, you can just recommend that I am doing this much profession. Okay, this type of profession, so create a video on that thing. Okay, so I can help you to create income. Okay, I will help you to generate your income passively. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.